If a cleaning product causes visible change on your shower or tub surface during a small patch test, it is likely too harsh. Surfaces like glazed ceramic, porcelain, cultured marble, natural stone, fiberglass, and acrylic each react differently to cleaners, so start by testing in an inconspicuous area for at least 5 minutes and up to 24 hours when possible to catch delayed reactions. Look for etching, which appears as a dulled or frosted spot that cannot be wiped away. That indicates the cleaner has chemically attacked the surface finish and you should stop using it immediately. Watch for streaking that leaves permanent or hard to remove marks after rinsing, because streaking often signals an incompatible solvent or excessively high pH that degrades sealants. Check for discoloration where the original color shifts to lighter or darker tones. That can mean dyes or pigments in the material are dissolving. Also note any softening, microcracking, or powdery residue, which points to degradation of composite materials and grout binders. When you see any of these signs, switch to a pH neutral, non-abrasive cleaner and rinse thoroughly, then blot dry to limit further damage. Common mistakes include assuming all bathroom cleaners are safe for every surface, which leads to etching on sensitive finishes. Avoid that by always performing a patch test and choosing cleaners labeled for your specific material. Another issue is over scrubbing with abrasive pads or brushes that accelerates wear and creates visible scratches. Use soft microfiber or non-abrasive sponges and let cleaners work for the recommended time before gentle agitation. A third problem is leaving strong cleaners on too long, which can cause chemical burns to finishes. Follow contact time directions. Rinse immediately if you see any change, and neutralize with clear water to stop the reaction. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who match their project needs and budgets. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other find practical solutions.